Welcome student, in this video we will see how to use OLELearn to practice IT online exam. Please visit www.olelearn.com. Click on Login. Enter your registered mobile number and password, click on Login. This is your OLELearn dashboard, click on Start Practicing. Here you will get Practice Paper with Solution, Practical Sleep to Practice, College Exam Paper with Solutions, and IMP Paper Set during exam. Click on View in Question Paper Set. Now on this screen you have color button for chapter-wise test, and yellow color button for full exam set. Select exam paper set over here and now you can start practicing your IT online exam. Remember student, practice make you perfect. All the best.